Hello, my nail polish fanatics. I just had to come in to bring this Pueen plate that I found from Walmart. As I've said in my previous videos, if I see a Pueen plate at Walmart, I'm going to pick it up. And this is exactly what I did. This is the Pueen Party 04 plate. This is the instructions how to nail stamp. If you've been watching my videos, you kind of know how to do a nail stamp. But if you have not and you're new to the channel and you like these type of videos, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. This is the tips and tricks card. Also, when you're learning how to scrape, I have said it in previous videos to make sure that you scrape at a 45-degree angle so you can get the best pickup. But if you actually need another video, please let me know in the description box if you want a nail tutorial on how to do nail stamping. I will be glad to do that for you. So drop that down in the comment section if you would like for me to do that type of video. I love the Pueen stamping plates. I love the card, the scraping card, because you can see it's very firm. And I like the fact that it's small. I don't like a large stamping card. Or scraping card per se. I love the stamping. The stamper is nice and squishy and sticky. And the two polishes that comes with it is Blackjack 805 and Pure White 806. Great and awesome, intense color polishes. They stamp wonderfully. I love them. This particular plate has two protective films, which is awesome. So I pulled the first one and now I'm going to pull the second one. And just by looking at this, I really love the images on this plate. Look at those gorgeous images. I love these. You've even gotten this animal print. I've got my butterflies as always. Love those. Love the stars. Can use that for New Year's, Christmas. So much you can do with this particular plate. It has other different images. Wow. The word wow. I love that nostalgic circle look. That next one was a sweater looking image. You can use this, like I said, you can use this for Christmas. Love this plate. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview. If you would like for me to do a live swatch of these images, please drop a comment below and let me know in the description box. If you did like this video, go ahead and give this video an enthusiastic thumbs up. Make sure you share it with your polish family and friends. But before I let you go, I do want to share the polish that I am currently wearing. I simply love this polish. It is a Lenby Designs polish. So freaking gorgeous. And it is a thermal, you guys. I really like this one. I pull this one out all the time. This is Vermilion from the Poison Pigments collection. Such a stunner. I love this one. As you can see, I'm a bit cool, but it but it transitions into a clear base once hot. But this is one of my favorite polishes from Lenby Designs. And I will see you in the next video.